promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical, she like my baby mama.
Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Dom here from Payday Pickups, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it is another Asos try-on haul. You lot loved my last one, and if you haven't seen that already, the links will be in the description box below. That was for more like fall/winter wear. For today's video, it is more spring/summer. So huge thank you to Asos for sending me out 10 different pieces. We have some t-shirts, some shirts, some bottoms, hoodies, and some accessories. But before we jump into the haul, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also to follow me on my Instagram. I've really been smashing it. I'm doing 2 posts a day now, and you lot have been giving me some really good feedback. So if you want some outfit inspiration, definitely go check it out. It's at @DomHadley_. But let's just jump straight into it. So piece number 1, I've been wanting a t-shirt in this colour for a long time now, and when I saw it on Asos, I was like, I've got to get this. This is from their reclaimed vintage range, and this is like the washed out black/grey t-shirt. So very, very similar to like obviously the whole on trend with the Cole Buxton vibes, like the washed out grey, whole represent. It is just a very nice baggy oversized fit. It's only priced at £20 too, so it's really, really cheap. It's not even cheap cotton, it's nice and heavy weight, so it keeps a nice like kind of structure, nice drop shoulder too. The photo right here on my Instagram, and just to let you all know, the links for all of these items will be in the description box below. I'd recommend getting this fast because this stuff usually sells out so fast in this colorway. And if you're wondering what reclaimed vintage is, they basically like remake vintage clothing. So I think it's quite smart because I love vintage clothing, and then they make it brand new at a cheaper price point. So moving on to the second piece, it is exactly the same color and from reclaimed vintage once again. Sometimes in summer it can get cold in the evening time, so you're wearing shorts, you want to throw someone over the top. So this is the washed out reclaimed vintage hoodie. Exact same color as the t-shirt, nice boxy fit, drop shoulders, thick drawstrings, and then what I love about this hoodie is the hood stays up, like it doesn't sit down flat. That's what I always look for in a hoodie. And also huge shout out to Style by Nate for getting me on this hoodie. His channel will be linked in the description box below. He's been smashing it at the moment, so definitely go check it out. Moving on to piece number 3. So I was quite skeptical on this piece. I wanted to get out my comfort zone, try something a bit new. Tie-dye has been very on trend at the moment. I'm not a big fan of like the huge tie-dye prints, but I like the ones where it's kind of like just a few splatters. So I actually got, this is an Asos design, so it's like the higher quality stuff on Asos. It is called, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like the acid wash shirt. So it's an oversized vintage shirt. It's like white, and then it's kind of like a pinky purple, kind of looks like marble all over, and it's a nice baggy fit. And this thing with a white t-shirt underneath or a white vest and light blue jeans, that combo, I'm so impressed with this shirt. Like the quality's so good, and honestly, you'd have seen it on these clips on the B-roll, like, this shirt is just beautiful. So going on to the 4th piece, this was part of the same outfit. This is a pair of light wash denim. As I've been isolating at my girlfriend's, I actually don't have any jeans. I only brought joggers with me. All my other clothes are at university or at my house, so I thought I need a new pair of jeans, and I wanted kind of like a light vintage wash because, as you can tell, I always wear vintage clothing. So I went for this vintage raw hem, once again the Asos designs of higher quality. And it is kind of like a straight leg fit, so it's like not too skinny. I have to stay away from skinny jeans now, and it's not too wide. And then we have the nice raw hem. And with these, I got mine like a little bit shorter because I wanted the cropped look to show off the trainers really well, and they fit absolutely perfectly and complement so well with that shirt. I feel like this is like the perfect wash for like summertime. You don't want to be wearing like dark jeans or like grey jeans. Light blue are the perfect jeans for spring and summer. So moving on to the next piece. So these 2 pieces are a pair of shorts. Obviously it's getting hotter now. I want to get the legs out, get a tan. So the first one, I actually took a risk on these shorts. I wanted to get something that's just not black, white or grey, just like the simple colours. I wanted to get out my comfort zone again. And I really wanted a pair of purple shorts, but I couldn't find any I liked. So I found these lilac shorts. I really like the colourway of them. These jogger shorts, and they looked short on the model. So I just went out and got the Asos Tall ones. Asos Tall are for like the people who are like 6'3", 6'4". I'm only 6 foot, so I knew this guy wearing the model, they'd be longer when I got them in person, and it absolutely paid off. These are like the perfect fit shorts, and I just love the colourway. such holiday vibes, but unfortunately they're just going to be have to use for my back garden. Moving on to the second pair of shorts, and honestly I've never been so happy with a pair of shorts. Like, they're the perfect fit, the perfect length, perfect like colour and the perfect material, so they're not too heavyweight, and this is these black smart shorts. So as you've seen from the B-roll, they literally go to around knee length. They are not too thick weight material, and they're also really comfy. They also have the belt line, so if you want to wear a t-shirt tucked in, you can obviously put on the belt, and they're just so versatile. You can wear these with like an oversized hoodie like the Reclaimed Vintage one, or you can wear it formally with a tucked in t-shirt, or you could wear it like nice and smart casual with like an open shirt with chains. Like, I'm just so happy with these, and if anyone wants some new shorts for spring/summer, definitely get these, and they are at such an affordable price point. Like, they're staying in my collection forever unless I put on too much weight and I'm gonna have to size them. So moving on to the next pieces, these are two shirts. I thought summertime screams like a funky short sleeve shirt or a funky lightweight long sleeve shirt. So I wanted to just go obviously a bit, I like to kind of stand out with some of my pieces. So the first t-shirt is kind of like this scribble face, so looks kind of like the Disclosure logo, and it is just this short sleeve shirt right here. Scribble faces all over, such a standout piece. You'd wear this obviously just like a plain pair of denim black shorts like I mentioned previously. Stands out really well. The only problem I'd say with this shirt, I got this in a size large, it is more of a fitted shirt rather than a boxy fit. I prefer like when it's got like a drop shoulder, nice baggy fit, so you can wear it over like a vest or a t-shirt, but overall the design is really sick and it stands out. Moving on to the next shirt. So this shirt, I can't lie, I kind of say I fucked up a bit on it. I mean, this was the photo of it, but I didn't realise it's one of the shirts that's like mesh-like, so it's like see-through-y. So I could get a t-shirt underneath to make it look good, but I wanted to wear this like low buttons to show off my chains. I really like wearing a load of accessories, but it's a bit too see-through-y, so you can kind of see like my nipples and stuff. You can probably like see my face through this. So this one I actually wasn't that happy on, but I could probably make it work wearing it over a t-shirt, etc. But I really just wanted to wear it like really loose fitting and open, so definitely take that into account. But luckily with Asos, everything is free returns too, so you don't have to worry. Then the next item I got was just a wardrobe essential. It was a pack of vests, just plain white vests. These are also organic, so helping the planet. And with these, personally the only problem I thought was I thought the neck would be a bit higher. They're very, very low neck, and I ain't got the chest for that yet. So, but they look really good layering underneath like summer shirts. I think it looks really good, like a tucked in vest with a shirt underneath and like a load of Cuban chains and then like your rings. I just think that aesthetic looks so nice, like go for kind of this style, but the neck is a little bit too low. So, but either way, these are really good for like just layering if you want another piece to keep you warm, or just something nice and lightweight to wear underneath, or to wear when you're working out in your back garden. So moving on to the final piece of the haul, this is a pair of shoes. I personally think sandals or slides are essential for summer. So easy to throw on, goes with any outfit, and obviously keeps you, cools you down, because you can just wear these like barefoot. This is a pair of these black sandals. I mean, they're very similar, like a cheaper alternative to the sewer coats. I always wanted a pair of sewer coats, but I was not dropping £200 on a pair of sandals. Like, it's honestly just not worth it. And these are like £12. Like, the tactical buckles, kind of like they're neoprene material, so it keeps your feet nice and cozy. They're comfy too, and they go with so many different outfits, and they're just so easy to throw on. So this is a definite cop as well, especially for that price point, like £200 for sewer coats, or pretty much exactly the same thing for like £12. All the items will be linked in the description box below. Let me know your personal favourite. Mine had to be either the shorts, like the fit, or the shirt. Like, I just, that shirt is just something so different. Like, it's unique. Like, the colours like a white and kind of like the washed out pinky blue vibe, and I think it just screams like spring/summer, like the bright colours. Kind of screams like festivals, sunny times. But unfortunately, we're not going to get any of that this summer. So these will all be posted on my Instagram photos, and everything will be linked below. So if you want to buy any of these items, not one thing in there is above £40 too, so like everything is easily affordable. I'm also thinking of doing a series like designer alternatives, because like these are clearly a designer alternative. You want to be spending a lot less when you're in isolation, get the cheaper clothes. So once again, huge thank you to Asos, and also huge thank you to Millustrations for sending me out this print. She does a load of art prints. They're honestly so nice. You get them in like A1, A2, A3 or A4. Comes in a beautiful frame. The links are in the description box below. She does load like Leeds ones, holiday ones, or she can even make your own personalised ones, so definitely get in contact with her. If any of you are into men's fashion, be sure to hit that subscribe button and go check out the rest of my videos. Have a nice day, and I'll see you all in the next one.